friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nurls. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for all 521 of you who have subscribed. I appreciate and love you guys. I am just here for a quick video just to show you how I maintained my 4-week-old Miracle Knots. I got this hair from Amazon. It's from Toyo Trust. I'll link the video, the installing video below. So I just was heading out to go see Alvin Ailey. An amazing show if you guys haven't had a chance to catch them when they're in your city. But anyways, so I started by moisturizing my scalp with the cream, or I can't remember what it's called, from Baskin Lather. I will probably tag it at the end, or in the description box I should say. And then I brushed the hair because this hair there was a lot of shedding, good amount of shedding, even though it says it's human hair, but it's machine made. So I keep showing you guys some of the shedding. I had to do that on a regular basis when maintaining it so it didn't get all knotted up. Then after, I go in and I just spritz some water just to get the moisture back. You can see that it was dry. This hair also gets dried up so quickly. So it is definitely a high maintenance hair. If you're looking for something a low maintenance, this is not the hair for you. This is high maintenance. So this is water that I'm spraying. Then I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner just to bring moisture back. I did end up adding some mousse. I know in the installing video I did mention I didn't want to use mousse because I didn't want to lose the curls or for it to be flat, but I did use some mousse, and I'll tag the mousse that I use in the description below. And again, the results always amazing. I love this hair. I took it out because it just needed to come out, but I did wear it for 4 weeks, which is normally not my norm. So I loved it, love it. I think it's so worth it. Even with the price tag, it's so worth it. So thank you, Toyo Trust. Well, they didn't send it to me. I paid it with my own money, but just for creating this hair. But Toyo Trust, if you want to send me some hair, reach out to your girl. Anyways, so I did really enjoy this. And then I had to do my edges. So, well, when I say do my edges, it's really just sleeking them back, because my edges I don't do baby hair because all my hair all grown up. Anyways, if you made it this far, please subscribe, tell your friends, share, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other style you want me to do next. Again, thank you for watching and all the things. Oh, I should share as far as like the products. So that was the Shine and Jam that I used to do my edges, and then I will link the other products. This dress is from Amazon. The earrings, I want to say no, this dress is not from Amazon. My God, the dress is from Fashion Nova. Earrings are from Fashion Nova, I think. Necklace from Ghana, and I think I'm wearing the ring that you see. I think I'm wearing a ring from Amazon. And then what else? Lipstick, the lip bar, and one of my rings is from Ghana. And the other one is from Amazon. Okay, purse from Amazon, just in case if you guys were interested. All right, this was my look to go see Alvin Ailey. It was a great show, and this is how the hair turned out. Please leave a comment below. Tell me what your thoughts are, and if you are planning on trying this style. All right, take care. Bye.